Mental Measurements Yearbook with Tests in Print is the world's premier database for testing reviews and information. It is regarded as the consumer reports of the testing industry. The content in Mental Measurements Yearbook is created by the Bureau Center for Testing, which is an independent, nonprofit institution based out of the University of Nebraska. Their mission is to improve testing, assessment, and measurement practices. Mental Measurements Yearbook with Tests in Print has full-text reviews of more than 3,000 contemporary testing instruments and holds all previous editions of the yearbook, dating back to 1938, providing more than 10,000 full-text reviews from leading experts. It holds description information for each test, including test purpose, target population, scores, acronyms, publication date, and price. To get to Mental Measurements Yearbook, start at our library homepage, library.uhv.edu. Click on Databases A to Z, Sort to M, and then click on Mental Measurements Yearbook with Tests in Print. Note that if you're off campus, you will be required to log in with your JagSpace information once you click on the database. Once in the database, you can type in your test name. Change the field to test name. For this example, we will search for the GRE. Tests are often referred to by acronyms, so make sure you search both the acronym and the full name. You can separate the words by OR to find results that have GRE or Graduate Record Examination. If you want to make sure that the database searches multiple words as a phrase, put quotations around it. And then we can hit search. Once in the results page, you'll be able to see the title of the test, the publisher, the years, the Mental Measurements Yearbook number, subjects, and you can see the full text. If you click on the record, in the middle, you'll see more descriptive information about the test, like the publisher, the purpose, population, time, and the reviewers. If we scroll down, you can see the full review. Note that it is divided into sections, but the format makes them a little difficult to see, so just keep it a close eye to find the information that you're looking for. And if you need help using Mental Measurements Yearbook, please reach out to the library with any questions.